na, you took para this time, you will surprise the audience. I think you have a mic right there.
Surprise.
Surprise!
Alright. Bago ang lahat, good afternoon po and thank you to our friends from the media for coming. Okay, creative challenge. Tama ba? And siguro, isa sa mga aabangan ng tao sa rerun is our new set of actors or cast. Kasi these are highly skilled and experienced actors. And siguro, creative-wise, syempre these actors have different orientations, different backgrounds that can give more flavor to the production, new insight. And it's important to say also that most of the new actors have experience doing Para Kay B before namin i-stage ang Para Kay B this time. Like most of them have already done stage readings and done the characters. So excited ako na may bigay silang bago sa rerun na ito. And at the same time, we are very blessed to do a rerun para yung whatever opportunity of change na we can change and improve from the first run, magawa namin this time and give it to the audience. So yun, medyo pressured. And yun nga may clamor din for the new readers ng book. Even the fans of the book, excited sila mapanood yung show ngayon. Na-miss nila kasi, modesty aside, we were sold out last time, so hopefully this time, mas maraming makapanood. Yun.
Thank you very much. Ang
Thank
pamo
you.
natin, ating director.